Hello, are you trying to create a Facebook account and you are finding it difficult to create? This video is for you. Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook account creation error. If you're having issue in creating your Facebook account, these are two steps that you have to take. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected and make sure you have a slower data. The second is to make sure that you have the latest version of your Facebook by going to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. So right here on my Play Store, I just have to search for Facebook in order to check if my Facebook is updated or not. So if it's not updated, it's going to show you a word called update. You just have to click on it in order to update it. But if after updating your Facebook account and it still not allow you to create, there are still other reasons that can hinder you from not creating Facebook accounts. Number one reason is existing account with the email. So if you have another Facebook account that have that same email before now, you cannot use it to create another Facebook account. The next one is incorrect information. Facebook is against users giving them incorrect information as their details. So if by any chance Facebook notices that you are giving them incorrect information about yourself, they will immediately reject your account creation. The third is policy violation. If Facebook notices that there is any sign of fraudulence or any sign of you breaking their policies, they will automatically disregard your creation of account, and that way you'll not be able to create that account. The fourth is suspicious activities like fraudulent, like you hacking somebody's account. If by any chance you have any trace of that, you will not be allowed to create a new account on Facebook. The fifth is technical issues. This can be caused by bad network or by issues from Facebook itself. Maybe that during that section or during the period you're creating that account, they have technical issues. That period you will not be able to create your Facebook account. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.